today we're going to be, using some materials, fabric, like this fabric, and hot glue, and some beans, and this LOL doll. You can use any LOL doll or any doll. I'm just choosing an LOL doll. And first, we're going to be using fabric. So guys, look. Here's our fabric. Put one. And another one. So it will look prettier. So we fold the fabric like that. And then if you want to it's my opinion, I just want to add this to mine. So now I get my doll. Here she is. And I get the hot glue. And I glue it some. Oopsies. Not that, not that. Not that, not that. And glue it together. So I glued it together. We have to work on it. So yeah, we glued it together. Now it's like this. So, I got a little bit hot glue on her arm, but that's okay. Everything happens, every mistake, no mistakes and mistakes. That's okay, don't worry. Hot glue, you can just wash her arm, but be careful with the dress because hot glue can only come off in just water. And so if you get a little hot glue on her arm, that's okay. That's definitely okay. You don't have to worry about anything. You can just wash it, like I told you. And we put a little more. Then we do this. And then let it dry for 10 seconds. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's touch it. Yeah, it's done. So now, see, we can a little bit see her legs. So the legs, right? About the legs. We cut the dress a little. And we take a little bit more, put it here, then glue it together. And you too, little one. Whew. My little doll is freaking out. Because it's on hot glue. So here's our dress. Oops. We just have to make it a little more prettier. It's like a rose. Yeah, so that. And for the last part, just make it a little cooler. And now for the decoration part. I want to use this moon crescent. So I get the hot glue. I get a little bit on the crescent. And I glue it right here. And I get some more. Ooh, it's pretty hot. Do that. And then that. See how I did it? And now I'm getting this crystal. Well, it's not really a crystal. Ah, hot glue. A little bit. And then I put it in the middle. See? And now I want to use some ribbon to make it more pretty. Oops. I get my scissors. A little small, tiny. So now I changed my mind. I won't use a ribbon since it doesn't really look pretty. And if you see these spots, you can actually like make a crystal moon or something cool. So now I will take hot glue, a little bit, since, yeah, now put it here. Now it looks pretty. Now the second one. So, look how it turned. And that's how it turned out. So, at the back, see a spot? I'm going to put this pretty star. It's, well, basically almost like the same, but yeah. So, I take the star, put hot glue. But if you don't know how to use hot glue, always ask a parent or a friend or your big sister, big brother, or your big cousin. I finished the dress and my doll is really happy. Thank you, I'm really happy. Yay! See? And so, how did you like the video? Was it cool? Put 1,000 likes if you really love this video. And my doll really loves her dress. Thank you. I'm really proud. Now, can we go play? That's. Now, she doesn't have to wear her old clothes. She has a dress. And bye, guys. I hope you really loved this video and put 1,000,000 likes. And I hope you really liked this video. Bye.